Hello, this is Spigsy from GOSO.io, and today we're going to talk about how our Powerlikes can help you go viral. We have over 185,000 Instagram accounts that will randomly like your posts. A majority of the accounts are from the USA and Europe. And all of these accounts are 100% undetectable by Instagram. As of right now, there is around 500 to 10,000 followers per account that will like each post. And there's one thing we can say, you will see a massive improvement on your insights data for every single post that you make with our GOSO Powerlikes. Another great thing about our services is our Instagram accounts actually sleep like real human beings, so they do not like 24 hours a day. This is one of the key aspects of making our services look so organic and real. As a bonus, because we have over 185,000 Instagram accounts liking each post, you're not going to get the same people liking the same post over and over. Every time we detect your post, the likes will come in at total random speed, so there's no patterns occurring by Instagram. So this is why we're not detected by Instagram. When you make a post, likes could start within 5 minutes, it could start up in 1 hour, it could be 2 hours. It's just totally random every single time. And don't worry, it's not like the old days where you have to make a post and get likes within 10 minutes or even an hour. Posts now can go viral within 4 hours. And what makes our service so amazing on top of what we already have is that they're organically drip fed. So this means that you will not get all your likes in 1 minute. If you have 10,000 likes, for example, they'll be slow dripped in, and it's all randomized as well. If you have 700 likes, you'll come in within half an hour or so. Every single time it's random and it's drip fed bit by bit. Like I said before, it is all totally randomized, so this will be total randomized arrivals of your Powerlikes. So if you make a post now, like I said before, they could come in within 5 minutes and start drip feeding, or it could take an hour, it could take 2 hours. As it's all random, this guarantees that our service is going to be working great for you. And also, you're in good hands with our dedicated support team here at GOSO.io. We are based in Barcelona. We have 5 full-time staff managing your questions and queries. So we are not robots, we are real. If you have any questions, just simply go to the contact section on our website, create a support ticket, and we will answer Monday to Friday between 10 and 6 Central European Time. On some of our packages, we have free bonus Powerlikes that will actually appear on your account. And the way that these work, if you log in to the GOSO control panel, you can see all your posts, and then you can manually click boost and it will add an extra Powerlikes to your system. This only appears on some of our packages, so please go over to GOSO.io/Powerlikes and see if your account has the brand new free Powerlikes system. Unfortunately, services that we were using a year ago no longer work because Instagram changes their algorithm. We're the only company in the world right now that adapts with every single algorithm. As soon as Instagram does an update, within a week, usually we'll have it fixed and actually get you back on the viral page. Methods from a year ago for like using engagement groups no longer work because Instagram can detect. Also, if you're using rounds as well, where basically you make posts and you're in these groups where you can post like at 3 p.m, 6 p.m, 9 p.m, you name it, this is all detectable by Instagram because you're posting at the exact same time and the people that are adding yourself into these groups are liking your post, and it's going to damage your account. Do not like spam using your account because you will damage your account. Also, Powerlikes groups where you can actually add your account to like back to receive likes. This is dangerous because if your account is liking 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the other accounts as well, it's easy for Instagram to detect. With all our services, we do not require your password. It all goes one-sided. All you have to do, log in, add your subscription, add your username, and away you go. There is no like spamming with GOSO. With our GOSO Powerlikes as well, we ensure that it is 100% safe, as we're not detected by Instagram, as your account is not like spamming, and there's no detection in terms of your account getting the same likes from the same users all the time, like other services. If you are interested to see our prices and what we can do to you, go over to GOSO.io, go to services, get Instagram likes per post. And you can see right now, as of this video, you can see all the different packages that we do. If you want extras like power views, which will help your videos go viral, power saves, where we have random accounts saving your posts which help you go viral as well, power growth, where we actually manage your account and help you go viral, and now we have a new comment system where you can write a list of your own comments, and every time you make a post, random accounts will go on your page and then randomly select one of your comments and post it onto your post.